OnePlus 5T update includes this upcoming Android 9.0 feature. OnePlus has rolled out a software update to its OnePlus 5T smartphone which brings a feature that won't be included in the majority of Android handsets until Android 9.0p launches later this year. OnePlus might be busy working on its next-generation flagship smartphone, but the Shenzhen-based company has still found time to push out a new software update for OnePlus 5T owners. The operating system update brings an iPhone X-style feature that likely won't arrive on other Android OS handsets until Android 9.0p launches later this year. Following the update, OnePlus 5T users can employ gestures to navigate around the smartphone software. The setup resembles the gestures found on the iPhone X, with a swipe up from the bottom of the display mirroring the functionality of the home button. Swiping up from the same place but pausing in the middle of the screen will bring up the multitasking view of your recent apps. Meanwhile, OnePlus 5T users can swipe up from the right or left-hand side of the display to go back. OnePlus 5T was the first smartphone to drop the physical navigation buttons from the front of the handset. This allowed OnePlus to squeeze a larger 6.01-inch display in the same physical dimensions as the OnePlus 5T, which had a 5.5-inch screen. At launch, OnePlus 5T owners navigated around the phone using on-screen navigational buttons at the bottom of the display. This is a hugely popular option and is found in a vast array of rival Android handsets. However, as more handsets morph to an all-screen design, gestures like those found in the iPhone X are becoming more popular, so much so that Google will incorporate gestures system-wide in the next version of Android. Technology blog 9 to 5 Google has unearthed a Google developer blog post which included an Android P screenshot with a very different set of navigation buttons. Instead of the three buttons, back, home, and multitasking, which have been present in the Android operating system for years, the all-new Android P appears to include a back button and an iPhone X-style strip. In the Android P screenshot, which has since been cropped to remove the navigation buttons, the classic circular home button is a pill-shaped bar. 9 to 5 Google had previously heard whispers from a reliable source that Google was testing an upward swipe on an iPhone X-style strip to trigger multitasking. The back button would also purportedly disappear whenever it is not in use, like when users are on the home screen. Elsewhere, the latest update to the OnePlus 5T also brings the latest April 2018 security patch, and category tags in your app drawer. App folders are also assigned names automatically based on what software you store in them, a first for Oxygen OS. Oxygen OS 5.1.0 is currently rolling out to the OnePlus 5T and 5 now, and OnePlus says its broader rollout will begin in a few days.